y'all, time to go to that lovely land of the sand plant. Dig in the sand for a while, see what happens. Open says me. Hey, there's some sort of covering on the Freedom Horn now. Let's just get this covering out of the way, reveal the beauty of herself. Glory personified, sound all around. Looks like Balloony wants to play along, so we'll just let Balloony come along. Alright, well here we go. Given that cloth that was there, let's see what the cloth has to inspire us to say or do or feel or be or see or think or whatever. God bless the sounds.